family and friends, and of course, my beautiful wife. There you go, go on. I'm not going to cry much in this one.
I don't have makeup on.
They decided to meet up in person for their very first date. The activity was hiking, and the place straight up the side of Mount Lofty. Now, maybe it was their mutual love of peanut butter, but we like to think it was destiny, because they realised very quickly on that date that their banter is on point, and the way they laugh with each other, it's different to other people, and they simply could not get enough of her.
As a married man of 33 years myself, I feel qualified to offer some important marital advice. Never go to bed angry with each other. Instead, do what your mother and I do, stay up all night arguing.